my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday and I'm just coming back from the grocery store. I have been craving coconut rice for the longest. Like, I just want to eat coconut rice. So I went to the store to get coconut milk. Actually, I saw coconut cream and coconut milk, and then I asked ChatGPT which one is more better for me to use, and ChatGPT recommended the coconut milk. But to me, I prefer the natural coconut milk than this canned processed ones. I think the natural ones gives more coconut flavor in the rice than the canned one. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. I hope it tastes nice. I hope it tastes so good the way I have pictured it in my head. So if you're new here, please hit on that subscribe button, like, comment, and turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. And yeah, how to deal with me? I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you know with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the hoes. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to lie. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my body, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, not a groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, one thing that you should know. Little bitty back, act like you a stranger, Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm gang about that. Faded up, 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, take me one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just you.